All right, trend analysis is a form of horizontal analysis that compares several successive periods of time. So in terms of trend analysis, okay, and what it is it's the trend percent equals the analysis period amount over the base period amount. Okay, times 100. So let me show you by way of an example what we mean. So let's do exercise 17.3, and I'll show you that by way of an example. I'll show you what we mean by way of an example. So this is exercise 17.3. What we're going to do now, so here's how the, so what we have is we have several successive years. So we have year 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013. Now, the first year will always be the base year, okay? And that will always be the denominator. Now, in this case, 2009 was 151,000. In this case, we're talking about sales. Okay, 2010 there was 235,560 in sales. In 2011 there was 253,680. 2012 there was 271,800. And then in 2013 there was 283,880. So what's going to happen here is the first year, 2009, this 151,000 will always be the base year. And every successive year will be the numerator times 100%. So it'll show the, so let me show you here. So the base year will always be 100% because it will be itself over itself. So in this case, what we have is, so for the base year, it'll be 100%. And the reason it'll be 100% is because it will be 151,000 over 151,000. That'll be 1 times 100% equals 100%, times 100 equals 100%. Now the next year, again, 151,000 will be the base, but now this will be the numerator, and it will show the amount of change. So, in this case, I'll just put it down here because it'll be easy to see how the numbers match together. We have 235,560. That's 2010. That's the numerator. We have 151. That's the denominator. Now, we divide it in there, is 1.56. We multiply that times 100, and it turns out to be 156. So it's 156%. In the third year, again, the 2009 will be the denominator. Now this will be the numerator, and it will show the percent of change. Okay, so we have 253,680 divided by 151,000. That equals, that's 2011, that equals 1.68 or 168%. So you can see the amount of change for 2010, 2011. If we go up to 2012, it will now be 271,800. This will be the analysis period. The base period will be 2009, so this will be 151,000. That turns out to be 18%. Okay, turns out to be 1.80 or 180. Okay. All right. And then this turns out to be 188. So what we see here now is how it changes. It keeps changing, keeps increasing. The sales get larger every year. So to sum up, we're talking about trend analysis. Trend analysis is a form of horizontal analysis. What's different about it is it compares several successive years. It does this by putting each successive year as the numerator, the first year as the denominator, multiplying times 100, okay? And so the first year will always be 100% because it will be itself over itself, okay? Then the next year, 151,000, the base year will be the denominator. Now the sales for that year is the numerator, and it's 156%. And so on. So you can see how sales are continually progressing as the years go on. All right, well, that should be trend analysis. We'll call that good.